Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. If you are new here, I am Lisa and today I have a very special masala chai with moringa leaf from Auric to share with you guys. I am very passionate about tea. I absolutely love tea and my day has to start with a cup of Kadak Masala Chai every day. It has to start with a tea. Yes, it has to. So I have been trying this masala chai from Auric for quite a while now and I am absolutely loving it. I shared this tea with my friends and family. Everyone loves it. So today I am going to share this one with you guys. This is actually the very first time I'm trying anything from Auric. So let me just quickly show you the packaging and all. As you guys can see, it comes in this box, lot of information right on top of the box. The packaging is very efficient, very good. There is a wooden spoon here. It looks so cute, guys. The tea here comes in a Ziploc bag. The bag is not at all plastic. It is a 250 gram bag with lot of clean ingredients in here. So there is a kulhad in here. It is made out of coconut shell. Gives a very traditional feel to it. I really like this wooden spoon and this kulhad, coconut kulhad, and this tea looks amazing. As you can see, it is very easy to open this up. It has a ziploc in here that is very efficient. As soon as you open this bag, guys, you will get very nice aroma. This Assam and Darjeeling blend black tea has moringa and 7 spices like ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, tulsi, black pepper, star anise. You can actually see all this tea actually boosts our metabolism and improves our immunity. All the spices in here are really good for our health. We normally make our tea spice out of this all these ingredients in here. I make tea masala out of these ingredients. Having tea with all the ingredients pre-mixed in it is very easy and very efficient actually. Also the moringa in here is very good for our health. I have already talked about moringa powder in some of my other videos. It is a good source of antioxidant, vitamins and minerals, and having moringa every day in your diet is very essential, and this is actually a good way to get your moringa leaf in your diet every day. So I actually really like the concept of this tea. So let me just show you guys how to make this tea. It is very easy and very simple. It is quite simple, like you make your own tea at home. So today I am going to make 1 cup of tea. For 1 cup of tea, I am going to take half a cup of water. I will add in 1 teaspoon of Auric Masala Chai patti. Depending on your taste, you may use more or less chai patti. I will let it brew for around 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Now I am adding just 1 cup of skimmed milk into it, and I will let it brew for another 2 minutes on low flame. As the tea brews, you will get a very nice aroma of this tea. I will add 1 tablespoon of honey to it. You can add any kind of sweetener to your tea. Strain and enjoy this delicious tea with your friends and family or by yourself while reading a book or listening to music. This tea has such a beautiful aroma to it. So this tea has the perfect color, guys, and has that perfect Kadak Masala Chai taste to it, flavor to it. I absolutely love it, and my friends and family, they all loved this one. The price of this tea is super affordable, and they have this membership also on their official website. You can check it out. I am going to purchase their membership. Actually, it is Auric 500 club membership for all kind of hot beverages like tea, coffee, hot chocolate, everything. You can get everything. They have lot of other drinks and stuff. You should definitely give this tea a try. I'm sure you are going to love it if you love tea. Actually, these products are available on Auric's official website, of course, and also these are available on Amazon. I will put all the details in my description box. Do check them out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will catch you guys next week with something new and something different. Until then, take care. Bye bye.